Hey guys, I got another bike check coming up right now. I just finished my bike, so that's it. It's pretty nice. I like it. It's really light too. Okay, so we'll start off from the top. Got the Aussie Aaron Ross grips in green, nice and comfortable. I like them a lot. S&M slam bars. They're the short slams. I think they're called the dives actually. Alright, so we got the Animal jump off stem in green. Eclat red headset dual, so it can be either small or high. I have it on high. We got the Fit Blade lights forks. They're really nice. They're light too as well, and I haven't bent them yet. That's pretty good, I guess. We have the Primo N4 hub, Primo forged spokes, 1664 triple wall rim, and just I think it's a Canada tire. It's really nice, 2.25 I think. Oh, and then I have the Butcher pegs with the sleeves on them. I can't get the back one on because I don't have the right tool because the axle is too long. So we got the red KMC chain, Aussie Rolls rim to DK Alpha hub with the Aussie Groundworks back tire. Okay, now we got the Federal 23 tooth light sprocket blue, Primo BB brand new, Stolen Mob Cranks rod, Eclat padded seat and white one piece, SMM seat clamp, and I think that's about it. Alright, thanks guys. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks.